Let's activate Gemini. Open your Google app, and first of all, make sure to sign into your Google app with your Google account. Now tap on your profile photo. Here, tap on settings. Once you are in your Google browser settings, here you find this option Gemini. Tap on that and tap on turn on. Tap on continue. Tap on use Gemini. And now go back from here. Again, open Google. Open your Google app or open the app from here you want to activate the Gemini. Then all you have to need just press and hold down the power button. And here we can see the Gemini is now working. You can ask something to Gemini
Great.
from here.
I'm ready to assist you. How can I help?
Hey, tell me a joke.
Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field.
Okay, here you can see I can now easily use the Gemini on my device. That's it.